Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Flaming Studies. So our next topic is chapter number 2, chemistry, class 12, chapter solution. So our first topic is solution. What is solution? What is solution? So guys, solution are the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. What is solution? Solution is the homogeneous mixture. Solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. So from the word homogeneous, a question put in our mind that what is homogeneous? So from the word homogeneous, that is clear that what is the meaning of homo? Homo means the same. Homo means the same. When the property of a mixture is same in whole mixture is called homogeneous mixture. When the property of any mixture is same all around the mixture, so that mixture is called homogeneous mixture. For example, salt plus water. When we add some salt in water, the composition of this, the mixture of this is like that. Mixture of salt and water. In this, the particles are properly mixed with each other. So that is called homogeneous mixture. When the property of the particle same around all the mixture, so that is called homogeneous mixture. So let us see the example of the mixture. There are two types of mixture. One is natural and the second one is man-made. So example of natural is air, seawater, and the example of man-made mixture is tea, coffee, sugar solution, salt solution, juice, fruit juice, which is the example of man-made solution, cold drink, etc. These are example of man-made solution, and these are the example of natural solution. So we discussed the examples of liquids solution, and our next is solid solution. In solid solution, example of solution is brass, which is the mixture of alloy copper plus zinc, which is the alloy of copper plus zinc. Brass is the alloy of copper plus zinc, and the second one is bronze. Bronze is the alloy of copper plus tin. Copper plus tin. Bronze is the alloy of copper plus tin, where brass is the alloy of copper plus zinc. Here finally we discuss about solution. Solution is made up of solute plus solvent. Solute and solvent combinedly make the solution. So what is solvent? The component that present in large amount, that is called solvent. The component that is present in large amount, that is called solvent. What is solute? Component that is present in less amount, that is called solute. The component which is less in amount in the solution, that is called solute, and when the component is present in the large amount in the solution, that is called solvent. And when there is in the solution there is only one solute and one solvent is present, then it is called binary solution. जब एक मिक्सचर के अंदर even in a solution there is only one solute, a single solute, and a single solvent is present, then it is called binary solution. For example, salt plus water, salt solution. Second one is sugar plus water, sugar solution. In both of this, salt is one, solute is one, solvent is also one, solute is also one, solvent is also one, so that they are called binary solution. They are called binary solution. So on the basis of their concentration, they are divided into three categories. First is solid solution, second one is liquid solution, and third one is gaseous solution. The solution is divided into three types: solid solution, liquid solution, gaseous solution. So let's talk about gaseous solution. What is gaseous solution? The solution which are present in a gas form, that is called gaseous solution. Why the solution is present in gas form? When the quantity of the solvent of the mixture is larger, then it decides the state of the solution. So from here the solution is in the form of gas. So by this, a word strike in our mind that the solvent is present in it is in gaseous form, so that the mixture or the solution is gaseous solution. So comes to its definition. Solution present in the gas form due to the solvent is gas, so that the solution is gaseous solution. Now comes to the example. First is solid in gas. Solid is in gas is example of this is camphor in nitrogen gas. Second example is liquid in gaseous. Chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. That is the example of liquid in gas. Then gas in gas, the mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. For example, air. We know that in air there are so many gases are present. For example, hydrogen gas is present, nitrogen gas is present, O2 present, so that air is a mixture of gases, which is called the example of gaseous solution, gas and gas. Now our next topic is liquid solution. What is liquid solution? When the solution is present in the form of liquid, so that this is called liquid solution. If it is liquid solution, then the solvent is present in it is in the form of liquid. The solvent is in the form of liquid. So let's come to the definition. When the solution is present in the form of liquid, then it is called liquid solution. When solvent is present in the form of liquid. Example of this first is solid in liquid. Solid in liquid is example in sugar in water, glucose in water. So let's see the diagram. When sugar is mixed in the water, so it makes a homogeneous mixture or liquid solution of sugar solution. It makes the liquid solution of sugar. So second example is liquid in liquid. When ethanol dissolves into water, it forms the liquid and liquid solution. So see the diagram. Ethanol, when dissolved in water, it converts into the liquid solution. So comes to the next. Third one is gas and liquid. When we dissolve the oxygen in water, it converts into liquid. When we dissolve gas, oxygen into the water, it's convert into the water in liquid form. So let's see the diagram. Oxygen, when dissolved in water, it convert into water, and oxygen molecule are poured in it. After the liquid solution and gaseous solution, we will discuss. Third one is solid solution. So what is solid solution? When the solution is present in the form of solid, so that they are called solid solution. Due to the solvent present in the form of solid, that's why these solutions are called solid solution. Let's come to the definition. When solution is in the form of solid, due to the solvent is in the form of solid, that solution is called solid solution. They are categorized into three types, as in liquid or gases we discuss. First is solid in solid, second one is solid in liquid, and the third one is solid in gaseous state. So let's talk about them. So our first is solid in liquid. When Copper is dissolved in gold for making ornament. In ornamental purpose, there is some quantity of copper is dissolved in gold to make the ornaments. Next, second one is liquid in solid. Amalgam of mercury with sodium is called the liquid in solid solution. Let's see the diagram. Mercury plus sodium make the amalgam. It is the example of liquid in solid solution in solid solution. The third one is gas in solid. Solution of hydrogen in the palladium is the example of gas in solid solution. Our next topic is concentration. What is concentration? The amount of solvent and the solute in the solution is known as the concentration of the solution. So let's come to our definition. Composition of solution can be described by expressing its concentration. Composition of the solution can be described. It means the amount of the solute and solvent in the solution is known as the concentration of the solution. They are of two types. First is qualitative, second one is quantitative. What is qualitative? When we analyze by seeing the solution, the amount of solute is large or the amount of solvent is large. When we analyze it by seeing that. And what is quantitative? When we comes to the chemistry, this is the important topic of the solution. What is quantitative analysis? That we will study. Now comes to our topic, quantitative analysis. Qualitative concentration. What is qualitative concentration? There are mass percentage, volume percentage, mass volume percentage, parts per million, mole fraction, molarity and molality. These all 7 are the quantitative concentrations, which is most important for this chapter. So let's discuss about it. So let's study it with a table. Mass percentage. First, mass percentage. What is mass percentage? Mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100, that is called mass percentage. W2 is the mass of solute and W1 is the mass of solute. In this, W2 is the mass of solute, W1 is the mass of solvent. When we add mass of solute plus mass of solvent, so it become a solution. So what is the formula? Mass of solute upon mass of the solution into 100, that is called mass percentage. Next we will come to volume percent. What is volume percent? Volume of solute upon volume of solvent plus volume of solute means the volume of the solution, whole solution, into 100. V2 is equals to volume of solute, V1 is equal to volume of solvent. Then we will comes to the ppm, parts per million. So that is same to the mass percentage, but in this we will multiply it with 10 raised to power 6, which is called million. W2 is, we all know, mass of solute, mass of solution into 10 raised to power 6. that is called ppm. Now comes to the mole fraction. Mole fraction, what is mole fraction? Mole fraction equals to Na upon Na plus Nb. What is Na? Mass of the solute and mass of the solution. Mole fraction equals to Na by Nt. Number of particle in a solution A, number of mass of solute upon total mass of the solution. Na equals to given mass Wa upon molar mass. So by this Xb equals to Nb upon Na plus Nb. Let's come to the molarity. What is molarity? Number of moles per volume of solution is called molarity. Molarity denoted at capital M. M is equals to N by volume in liter. N is equal to number of moles, and VL is equals to volume of the solution in liter. Now comes to the next topic is molality. What is molality? Molality when N I upon my W kg. What is N? N is a mole of the solute and W kg is equal to weight of the solution in kilogram. So by this table it is easier to learn the concentration of the solution. So make the table carefully, read the table carefully, and comes to the next topic. Our last topic is normality. What is normality? Normality is equivalent mass upon volume in liter. What is normality? Equivalent mass upon volume in liter. We also written as W into HF constant, molar mass into volume in liter. This is also called the molarity. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks and have a nice day.